In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access invite-only scripts on Tradingview and what you need to do to use them on your charts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and make sure you're logged into your account. Before going further, it's important to understand that invite-only scripts are private indicators or strategies created by other users. You cannot find or use them unless the creator gives you access. To use one, you need to get permission from the script's author. This usually happens when you purchase access to a paid indicator or join a private group or community. Once the author grants you access, the script will automatically appear in your account. Now go to your chart and click on the Indicators button at the top. Inside the Indicators window, look for a section called Invite Only Scripts. Click on it and you'll see all the private scripts that you've been given access to. Simply click on the script you want and it will be added to your chart just like any other indicator. If you don't see anything in this section, it means you haven't been granted access to any invite-only scripts yet. Also, keep in mind that some features related to publishing or accessing advanced scripts may require a paid plan on Tradingview. That's it. Now you know how to access and use invite-only scripts on Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.